Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to create a free Telegram channel in a simple way. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supported you. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Telegram. After that, click here on the pen mark that appears here. Then, you will find 3 options here. Choose to create a channel. After clicking on create a channel, here you choose the name of the channel. After that, you choose the channel description. What is this channel centered on? In the picture here, you choose a personal photo for the channel. Then click done, and you will be able to create a channel successfully. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems or any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.